Okay,
Actually,
sir.
I thought our session is going to start at 5:30. I was just
Okay,
checking how
okay,
to. Yeah.
okay. No, not at all issue.
How
Actually,
are you,
I
sir?
set that time at 5:30, but I joined before that time because it takes too much time, right?
Actually, what happened? I was just checking how to,
Mm-hmm.
set up background, okay, all these
Okay.
things I want to set up before, and I saw you have joined.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay, let me introduce ourselves. So first you go. So where are you from? What is your YouTube channel? You mentioned there I have a YouTube channel, right? Uh,
Yes, yes, sir.
so can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, sure, sir. Actually, my name is Satish, and I am from Maharashtra.
Mm-hmm.
So the yes, and the channel name of my YouTube channel name is Mission for English.
Mission Free English.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
What type of
So what
content
about you, sir?
do you upload there?
Content, I was uploading regular lectures. I was teaching
Regular
the spoken English. Yeah.
spoken English. So do you upload grammar classes too?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. That's fine.
It
Okay.
is my first session that I am having conversation with other
Mm-hmm.
person. I
Okay.
want to upload such videos on my channel.
Okay. I have taken a couple of conversations video, but it is
Yeah.
my third
Mhm.
session.
It is the third session only.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Hmm.
So first of all, so why don't you tell me about yourself, sir?
Yeah. My name is Sriram. I am
Just
from
because
Andhra Pradesh.
we are having first
First
time
session.
conversation, no? So I
Yes.
want to
Yes.
know
Yes.
about you.
Definitely. My name is Sriram. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Mhm.
I am a primary school
Mhm.
teacher. I work in a government school,
Okay.
and I have a YouTube channel that is English for Life, where I upload English conversational videos and vocabulary, phrases, idioms, etc. If I
Okay.
talk about my qualification, I have a diploma course that is diploma in education, and then I have a degree course that is BA. Then I did a masters in English. I did my masters in English. That's it about me.
Actually, sir, I come from science background. Huh?
Yeah.
Let me tell
Okay.
you about myself.
Sure.
Yes, I am also a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
I teach to 7 to 10 standard English subject. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
I come from science background, but
Science
I teach
background,
English.
but you switch to English language.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now it's been 6 to 7 years now. I have been teaching English only.
Mm-hmm. That's great.
Yeah.
So
And
you
I
have a
love
good
English
command on
more than
English
science.
grammar and conversational.
Yes.
Okay.
Because of that, what happened, sir? When I was in Goa, I was in Goa for
Mm-hmm.
job purpose. I
Mm-hmm.
was doing job there in pharmaceutical company,
Mm-hmm.
but somehow I wanted to leave that job
Mm-hmm.
because so much pressure and all. So I
Yes.
decided to one of my friends suggested me that there, if you have good command over English, no, if you
Mm-hmm.
have good knowledge about English, if you are able to communicate with person, if you have
Mm-hmm.
good communication skill, then
Mm-hmm.
there are some jobs in call center, international call center.
Yes. Yes. BPO.
And from that time, my journey started of
Mm.
learning English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's good. So you worked as BPO.
I wanted to work, but
So
I was busy.
okay. You haven't
Yes,
worked.
continue, sir. No, no, I didn't
Mm.
work there. I
Okay.
wanted to join BPO. That's why I started learning English. But
Mm-hmm.
I was so much into English that I left that my dream of working in BPO. I
Okay.
started teaching.
Teaching. Okay. That's fine, sir.
Uh,
Teaching is
I
a
had lot
good
of
job.
confidence. Yes,
Teaching is a
yes,
good
sir.
job. Yes. We give our
Yes,
knowledge
yes, sir.
to others.
Others, huh?
Yes.
Actually, sir, after graduation, I was hunting for job. No, I was there after graduation.
Mm-hmm.
I finished my graduation. After 4 years, I started my job in
Mm-hmm.
where in Goa in pharmaceutical company. After 2 years,
Mm-hmm.
I was fed up with that job. I didn't want to continue there, so I
Okay.
was just exploring what I can do.
Okay.
Where I got to know that there are some jobs in BPO.
Mm-hmm.
There, if you have command over English, then definitely you can join there.
Okay.
So I thought it's okay. I'll start. I will learn English. Then at that time I started learning English, and at that time I did not know even the difference between was and is.
Okay.
Literally, I'm telling you.
Okay.
At that time I had completed my graduation,
Mm-hmm.
but I did not know the difference between is and was, did and do. Nothing. I knew nothing.
Great, great. Until you completed your graduation, you don't know the grammar actually, is or was.
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay, that's
Because
great.
in college level I used to focus on only learning mug up
Mm-hmm.
things. That's it.
Mm. Mm. Okay. So your native language is Marathi, right?
Marathi.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So where are you from in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra. I come from Sangli district.
Songli. Mm-hmm.
Tell me about your journey in short.
Actually prepared for competitive exams. So I prepared firstly grammar. Then I started speaking English. Mostly I learned from YouTube classes like YouTube videos, conversational videos. So from those videos I learned.
So actually, how I started learning, because I didn't know anything about
Mm-hmm.
grammar and all. I started from the scratch.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
From the scratch. Yeah.
So
And
firstly I
I
learned the English grammar. Then I started speaking. But you started speaking, then you learned grammar, right?
no, no, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I first I learned grammar,
Okay,
and I
okay.
have watched more than 5,000 videos, sir, on YouTube. Not only I have watched, I have made notes also, and I have
Great.
everything today
Mm-hmm.
with me.
Mm-hmm. Great. So
And that's because I have studied so many concepts in detail. So I
mm-hmm.
had some confidence. No, 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 Satish. Now,
Mm-hmm.
uh, don't think about working in BPO. So
Mm-hmm.
just start teaching. My
Mm-hmm.
mind was saying me. So I
Mm-hmm.
decided, let's leave that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's start teaching. And after that, I got an opportunity in teaching one school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after that 1 year I taught there in my hometown. So after that I shifted here, and right now I'm in Baramati.
Mm-hmm.
Baramati comes in Pune district.
Pune district. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you
Have
are
you
working
heard of
in
this in Pune?
Baramati.
Now I'm in Baramati. Yes, sir.
I'm asking that are you working in a government sector or private sector?
Private sector, sir.
Private sector. Okay. That's good.
So you must be government teacher, no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's good.
Okay.
So why did you decide to learn this language, sir? I mean, my motto was clear. I told you
Mhm.
about my motto. My motto was clear. I
Mhm.
had to work in BPO sector. That's why I started learning this language. So what
Okay.
was your motto that you started
Yeah.
this journey?
Yeah. I'm a primary school teacher, right? So I
Hmm.
need to learn this language. Whenever I teach my students, I have to speak out in English. Then, whenever I go to trainings or meetings, the officials also speak English. I need to understand what they are speaking and I need to replay them.
Okay, that's good, sir. How long have you been learning this language, sir?
For I have been learning for 5 years.
5 years?
But
Wow, that's
actually I'm not regular to this language.
me too,
Basically
me too.
I'm not regular to this language. I am living in a rural area, so the people around me speak our native language. So that is the reason my slang and pronunciation also are different.
It's okay, no problem, sir. It affects
Yes.
our
So
mother tongue, affects
but
our pronunciation
these
and
days
everything.
for a few days for actually for a few days I am too much into this language. So I am taking
Me too, sir.
conversational. Yeah, I am taking conversational videos. I am taking sessions, conversational sessions, and I am reading some books or watching some videos regarding this language.
Sir. Uh, I was no, I was not consistent, I can say,
Mm-hmm.
but some see because we have to give our time for our schoolwork. Like tests
Mm-hmm.
are there, we have to
Mm-hmm.
check tests also there.
Mm-hmm.
Some other activities are also there. We have to
Yeah.
plan for that. So I don't get enough time to give to this language. But
Mm-hmm.
now I have decided it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever had happened, happened. But till now, I will give time to this particular thing. So
Okay.
where I want to improve myself at a good level.
Mm-hmm. So you are okay.
Yeah.
You are a good speaker. I think you are speaking very good. So yeah, but we have to. I am also beginner to intermediate level. We both like speaking like a beginner to intermediate level, but we need to brush up to more advanced level.
Yes, sir. Yes. There is always room for improvement. Always.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What would you suggest to learners? They even many people are afraid of speaking English. They know they can understand, but they are not speaking out. So what would you suggest them?
So my suggestion will be, see, they should try to speak. So nobody speaks correct English
Correctly.
also because I have
Yes.
studied a lot of grammar books, lot of.
Yes. Yes.
I know what are the grammar rules. When I
Mm.
observe them, no, when I observe them, I
Mm-hmm.
realize that they are making a lot of mistakes, and but they have a lot of confidence to speak. They
Mm-hmm.
don't think I am making mistake or not
Yes.
or what something like that.
Yes.
They don't think about their mistakes. They
Yes.
just convey their message.
Yes.
And if
Yes.
we focus on our conveying the message, no, then we
Mm-hmm.
will not have that fear of making mistakes and all. You have to start speaking.
Yes.
Nobody, speaks correct English at the
Correct
beginner
English.
level.
Yes.
We are bound to make mistake.
Yes. Even
Mistakes
native
are going to
speakers
happen there.
also, yes, even native speakers also uh, make mistakes while they are speaking.
Yes, yes,
They
yes, sir.
don't consider grammar. So the
No,
person
no,
who
sir.
are learning as a second language English, they consider grammar. They want to try to speak grammatically correct English. So I am
Mm.
thinking that whatever you have in mind, just speak out, whether correct or wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to uh, put their opinion in front of other people, no
Yes,
matter you are making mistakes or not.
yes,
That is not, necessary to focus on each and every grammar rule. In the
yes.
initial stage, you have to have just basic knowledge only. You
Mm-hmm.
are not supposed to make basic mistakes there,
Yes.
right? Suppose subject I is subject there. You can't use R with I,
Or
no.
I
These are
with
the basic,
am.
yeah. These things you should take care of. After that, I don't think there is a many, what do we call it? Many important thing that you have to take care of only. You have to put your opinion in front of people without, taking tension of making mistake. That's
Yes,
it. You
yes.
have to speak no matter how many mistakes you do. If you start speaking, if you start practicing day by day, you will definitely improve.
It definitely improve. Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, sir.
So you are from Maharashtra, right? What is the famous place or famous person in Maharashtra?
Famous person. See, sir, I am not into politics much.
Okay.
Famous person,
Okay, then share about a famous place.
famous place. There are
Mm.
so many places in Maharashtra, sir. So many famous places.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So
Uh,
Shirdi also in Maharashtra.
Shirdi. Have you visited Shirdi? Shirdi?
No, sir. I want to visit, but till now I have not visited.
Okay.
Mm.
Shirdi is famous for Sai Baba temple.
Sai Baba temple. Yes.
Yeah.
So I visited Delhi once. Then we have the famous temple here, Tirupati. So I visited many times, and we have another Vijayawada Durgamma temple also there. So I visited those places.
Okay. I have visited uh, uh, three, four forts in Maharashtra right now.
Mm-hmm.
I have visited Mumbai also, Elephanta Caves,
Elephant Caves. That is what.
India Gate.
Yeah.
Those things I have visited, and those are no worth visiting.
Mm-hmm.
Those places are worth visiting.
Yes. Worth to visit
Yeah.
it. Find of this conversation. We will meet another session.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Did you record this, sir?
Yes, yes, I recorded it. I will send you with the edited video.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.